This EGO humidifier wick filter offers a snug fit for a wide range of AIRCARE, Essick Air, and MoistAir console models, making it a versatile choice for multi-unit households. The dense, interwoven media provides a large contact area for water, which helps deliver strong moisture output while keeping airflow resistance relatively low. Its design focuses on natural evaporative humidification, which helps minimize mineral residue and reduces the chance of white dust settling on nearby furniture. The sturdy internal framework helps the wick keep its shape when saturated, so it is less likely to collapse or slump and restrict water absorption over time. Each pack includes 4 replacement filters, giving most users enough supply for multiple seasonal changes without having to reorder frequently. Installation is straightforward for typical console humidifiers, so swapping in a fresh wick filter every few months is quick enough that most people will actually keep up with maintenance.